This may be the future of agriculture. Robots that can plant, spray, and harvest. On some fields and plantations of today, things are still done like this, manually. But the path leading into the future has already been taken. For example, at the Technical University in Munich. Behind me is a harvesting robot, which we're developing for the EU project CROPS at the Institute of Applied Mechanics. 14 partners from 10 countries collaborate on the research project. Among them, experts in sensor technology, mechanics and control engineering, as well as agriculture. For the time being, the robot only has to pick bell peppers, but he's very adaptive. As a final concept, we decided on a modular composition. This means the robot can be used for diverse purposes like pepper harvest, spraying, and even apple or grape harvest. The future of agriculture has begun. In a few years, harvesting robots might already help with plucking fruits and vegetables in the greenhouse.
Bayer. Science for a better life.